They say that the eyes are the windows of the soul. Do you believe in that?
Yeah.
I'm just checking kung soulmates na.
Laura.
First question, truth or date?
Truth or date? Truth.
How excited are you for this date?
Super excited. Kaya it's my first time like doing this.
Ga-date ba ka? Do you usually go on dates?
Yeah. I go on dates.
Unsa ka sa date?
Usually, like spontaneous ko.
Spontaneous ka nga pagkatao?
Yeah, spontaneous ko. And usually, mag-click me sa person if spontaneous mo siya.
Oh, really? Like random?
Yeah, random.
Shut up.
Maring! I'm down if you're down. Yan ba?
Me too. I thought you were asking. Wait lang, imong real name is Enver?
Enver, yeah.
Or how do I call you?
Usually people call me Ver, or you can call me Bing.
Bing?
Yeah.
Nga na sa mangod.
Oh ba? Akong nickname ko is Imbing. Yeah, usually Bing lang. Kana mga tao na Bing, like special people. Yeah. So you can call me Bing.
Hi, Bing. Di lang dyan ako masibling zone. Ano si course mo sa college?
My course was Real Estate Management.
Oh, really?
I graduated sa UC Maine. Kay that time, Moray School nga mag-offer Real Estate Management. Funny thing is, pag enroll na ko, wala dyan sa plan. Kay, wala dyan kabawan sa akong course. So funny kay nag-post ko sa Facebook, guys, unsay bagay na akong course. Nagkan may comments, bagay ni mo mag-police, bagay ni mo mag-doktor, bagay ni mo...
Wait lang, bagay ka mag-doctor?
Oo ba?
Bagay si ka mag-police?
Di ba? Muna yung sulting.
Pero kabalo ka si bagay pa sa mo?
Man.
Ako.
Di ba? Go-otro, ikaw sulting.
Pero amazing no kayo mo ito yung course. Like, si tawag?
Real Estate Management.
Real Estate Management. Layo ra siya sa akong course.
Kasi course mo?
Baby mo, of course. Ay, wait lang. Akong gi-prepare ba is like breakfast nga. Food. I've heard nga dili ka morning person, tinod?
Yeah. Kay morning ko matug.
Ano sa oras ka tigtulog?
Usually mga 5, 6 a.m.
Pero, hilig kag breakfast.
Really?
Breakfast in bed.
Yeah. Diba kang breakfast in bed?
You're into fitness.
Halata mo siya.
So, what made you love fitness?
Way back, my god. I was really skinny. I was really, really skinny. I was the type of person, I didn't have any confidence. Yeah, I was the weakest link sa group. Randomly, makita ko guy, ito siya lawas ba? Hindi ako nag-imagine, magbutang na kong ulo siyang lawas ba? Kung sa kay feeling, no? Ngayon na ako lawas. So, mo to, dito nag-start. Mag-gym ko.
Di ba right now, na naman ka sa fitness? So, like, every time mukhaon ka,
Mag-track ko. And I don't know if you saw my content before, every time mukhaon ko, na ako'y weighing scale. Na ako'y food scale. Kaya I believe, manggod nga, data is everything. What gets tracked gets measured. What gets measured gets improved.
I also believe in that. Track what you want to attract.
Yeah.
Speaking of, before
Oh
the
my
mukhaon.
gosh. I feel like ever since, no, ikaw pala yung first ever person na naghatag no weighing scale.
If I want to like really start my
Yeah.
fitness journey, ano yung mga drinks nga akong likayan para wala ko extra weight?
Kani? Ang drinks man good is hindi siya makabusog. Siguro rough estimate na is like probably around 500, 600 calories. And after like 30, 40 minutes, wala, gutom na kabalik. Yung pinaka-kontra ba na if mag-diet ka, especially if you want to lose weight, is hunger, dude. You have to be wise with what you put in your mouth.
I always think what I put in my mouth.
What do you like to put in your mouth?
That's why ang uban naa sila'y extra weight.
Yeah.
So, unsay tawag sa extra weight? Ang tawag ba ana kay like, wait, there's more?
Parang
Ano na
baka.
Lechon baka?
Lechon baka.
Wala pa ako katryan eh.
Kailangan mo try?
Ginaw.
Yeah, dako or gamay.
Ganyan kong dako.
Dako. Sige.
Hmm.
Dako, di ah.
Wait lang.
Di pa ready?
Someone told me I should be careful what I put in my mouth.
But you trust me, right?
Yeah, let's go. Ah.
Me?
Tama. Dako.
Gahe.
Kahit. Wait lang.
Dako!
Natukan ko. Di ba ganina nang utana ka like unsay imong ganahan kanon ingon na jud kag something na protein.
Yeah, anything with protein.
So unsay imong favorite ano? Chicken,
All-time fave. Siguro, yeah. Chicken.
beef,
Beef.
isda.
Yeah, I love to eat fish.
Unsay tawag sa tao nga nag-isda?
Oh, isda!
Abi na kuming kag pescatarian. Mangingisda eh. Unsay tawag sa isda nga walay ay?
Ano sa'yo tawagan na?
Isda. Nagets naman diretso? Mas pasagot mo.
Smart fit gani.
Wait lang, speaking of smart fit. Anong smart fit ang imong gipangalan nimo sa imong page?
When I started my fitness journey, wala kayo makita nga like local content creators who would make like science-based, evidence-based content about fitness. Ako giunon na kayo, why not smart fit? Like implement smart protocols into fitness. So, yeah, smart fit.
And then, imong page. Nasa may page.
Oh,
Pwede na to storyahan na.
Siguro, ang pinaka sayop na ko kay wala dyan ako research ang name.
Oh.
I didn't know nga na like big gym franchise in Brazil.
Oh, really?
Which is called Smart Fit.
Oh.
Think AF, pero Brazil. Yeah, Smart Fit ang brand. And then, files like copyright sa Meta.
Oh.
Sumutok. Huwag tanga Smart
So
Fit.
kuan na lang ka, rebrand. Pwede ang imong tawag kay like Globe Fit.
Pwede Globe Fit.
Unsa ka tinuod nga pag ang lalaki daw mag-arsa og bugat, mugamay daw ang ilahang. You know?
I mean, gamay mo. Don't blame the weight.
So dili na tinuod, wala na siya.
Kailangan Johnny Sins. Wala kailangan Johnny Sins.
Kasi pangalan?
Johnny Sins.
Kasi na.
Grabe nga siya, accomplished nga person. Like, doctor, teacher, astronaut, as in, firefighter. Daggan nga siya accomplishments niya.
Wait, I think classmate sila ni Mia, right?
Yeah.
Kailangan ni Mia.
I feel like si Mia, ni-drop out si Mia.
Nauna siya drop out.
Nauna siya drop
What about Johnny Sins? Tell me something about it since passionate kay kang Johnny.
Kato, like, lifting weights won't make your junk smaller.
So dili siya tinuod sa imo.
It's for you to find out.
To cease to believe. Wait lang, unsa yung apelido? Johnny?
Sins.
Dili ning katong yes papa. Johnny. Yes papa.
Eating sugar, no, Papa?
Are you a romantic person?
Yeah. I would say I'm a very romantic person.
Are you competitive?
Yeah. I'm a Leo.
Aquarius. Bagay ba na? Compatible ba ang Leo sa Aquarius?
Ano ko lang hilig ng isda?
Speaking of competition, naka-try ka competition when it comes to bodybuilding?
Yeah, I'm actually competing 10 days from now.
Mo-compete ka?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Oh. Ano sa imong favorite muscle part sa laki?
Nakada yung mga different types of muscles.
Like,
Usually, naroon mo na sa...
But usually, di ba? Common, like, kailangan kong bicep. Like, for example, mahanas lang kailangan kong abs. Or for example, mahanas lang kasi kailangan kong chest. Di ba? Shoulders. So, nagpa-cupping therapy. So, yeah.
What's naman na siya?
Cupping therapy.
Oh. Di ay. Abi na kong slice sa pepperoni nga pizza. What's your love language?
Physical touch. Physical touch. Nasahay ka na. Harsh gamay. Sana physical abuse. Joke!
Kabalo magsaya ako.
Isa man.
Words of affirmation, and then sometimes giving gifts. Kabalo ko say best gift nga pwede ihatag sa isa ka gym rat
Sumag.
sa amin. Nakakay-line sa imong videos. Don't stop.
Hanggat hindi ka pa masarap.
So, ano wala pa ka nag-stop?
Kay being masarap is one thing. Staying masarap is another thing. For example, na-achieve na nimo. Hindi mo stop na ka marag. Ma-complacent ka. So, ma-happen is you eventually go back to your old habits. Then, balik ka, spiral down.
Lesson na siya ng certain level of discipline ang pag-maintain.
Exactly.
So, maybe try na lang nato nga mag-gym sad ko, no?
Basta mag-workout ha.
What's your favorite type of music?
Actually, akong genre kasi sumbog dyan siya. Sabi sa mga tao, like, kung music is like kanang mga lakin, 90% sa akong paminawan nga songs ka like female artists.
Really? It's interesting. Ganahan kag mga songs sa female nga artist.
Yeah.
Which is like, sa ako apod, ang ilang pagtanaw sa ako is like, ganahan kay kog mga female nga artist.
Opposite ba naman?
Opposite sa ako kay ganahan kog mga biplo. Nindot ni isagol sa akong tortang talong.
Or, kuanday, like, sa Abak da DB.
Pwede? Compatibility match. Maghatag kog category, sabay na to iingon at the count of 3, and let's say kung compatible ta.
Okay, sige, sige.
Ready? Favorite color? In 1, 2, 3.
Red.
Pink. Ikaw sa category.
Okay. Filipino dish. 1, 2, 3.
Ano
Sigang.
Favorite number? In 1, 2, 3, 7.
Favorite number.
Favorite number? As in?
Soulmate mo siguro ta?
Yung kumutawa na kay one time, na ako'y ex. Katong nga ex yung birthday is April 6. Akong birthday is February 8. And then, wala man may time nga nag-uyab jud me. So, nagsabot na lang me kung unsa jud ang exact na time. Yan ako nga, mag-meet na lang tayo in between. So, pwede itong monthsary kaysa 7. That's why nag-7 me. And nagbulag me sa 3rd of the month. Yeah. Ikaw na sad magstorya og kwentong bulag.
Another fun fact. Kuwari ko before. Have you heard of Jeremy Passion?
No, kinsa naman sad si Jeremy.
He's one of
Doctor
my...
na sad ni?
Dili.
Lahe.
Singer dyan siya.
Singer dyan eh. Legit?
Legit.
Kaya na ako'y trust issues.
Ang favorite song niya is one, Lemonade. Bakit ka na? Yeah, nung
Kanta daw.
She's my sunshine in the rain, my Tylenol when I'm in pain, yeah. Let me tell you what she means to me. Wala intro. Like a tall glass of lemonade, when it's burning hot on summer days. She's exactly what I need. She's soothing like the ocean rushing on the sand. She takes care of me, baby, and she helps me be a better man. Yeah, fun fact.
How about Justin Bieber?
Girlfriend, you could be my girlfriend.
Ate, kuya, gusto ko kape. Di ba kuan mo ka? Like,
Yeah, I do coaching, pero mostly online reservo.
there was this one time na nag-enroll ko sa gym
Yeah.
because crush jud kay na akong gym instructor. And then na-shock ko, kay ni kalit siya message sa ako Ningon siya, you make my knees feel weak. And then I realized, oh shit, yaman ding leg day.